Hello people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. Today I'm going to talk about Mars. Elon Musk wants humanity to go to Mars, basically create a backup home, or basically make sure that humanity does not go extinct in case something bad happens to planet Earth. So basically a backup place, or a backup bastion for humanity, I guess, in case something really bad happens to planet Earth. So, and in my opinion, that is a very sensible thing to do. A lot of people might be saying that, you should be focusing your efforts on making Earth a better place. But I would say, maybe it is way more complicated to, if something really bad is about to happen on planet Earth, to get all the countries on the same track, and make sure that every country can focus their efforts on the solution, so that any danger to planet Earth is averted. Doing something like that is not always as simple as it might seem, because 7 billion people agreeing on one thing isn't always going to happen, I guess. Or at least all the countries in this world, the political leadership of all the countries in this world, agreeing to do one specific thing, that we should focus our efforts on this specific problem that planet Earth, or that humans on planet Earth are going to face. To focus humanity's efforts on one problem is a very difficult thing on planet Earth, because there are so many people. But if you can have a backup civilization, or a backup place that you can call as home, then of course things would be different. And in a lot of ways, I think that it would be easier to terraform. Maybe it would be easier to terraform Mars than to convince the political leaders of all countries on planet Earth to focus on one specific problem that would be some kind of a threat to the humans of planet Earth. Maybe getting all human beings on planet Earth on the same page in order to focus on one problem is way more difficult compared to terraforming Mars, I guess. Maybe Elon Musk is right. Maybe Mars would be the last great hope for humanity in case something really horrific or some is about to happen on planet Earth. But would you live would you live on Mars, or what would you think your life would be on Mars? And by the way, is terraforming Mars even possible in the short term, at least? I guess a lot of people are saying that it would take maybe 50 or 100 years. Again, I'm not an expert. Just Google terraformation of Mars and you would know what I'm talking about. But I think a lot of people would say that it would take maybe even 100 years to terraform Mars and to make it habitable for humanity to live there. But even then, there are so many challenges that need to be overcome in order to make sure that you have a habitable environment on Mars. If you want to create a permanent civilization or a permanent presence of humanity on Mars. So basically, maybe we would just live in dome-shaped cities where we would be shielded from the sun's dangerous UV light and all the other cosmic radiation that might be out there, that would basically harm us if we go, or if our basically there's a lot of things in space that can hurt you. And the Earth's ozone layer protects you from all those rays, from all those ultraviolet light and cosmic rays, and I think cosmic rays or background radiation. I do not know the exact terminology, but there are a lot of things. There are lots of things that can hurt you if you are not in a spacesuit and you are outside the protection of the Earth's ozone layer. So basically, if we want to live on Mars, maybe we would have to live underground, or maybe we would live in some kind of a dome-shaped city where there would be some kind of artificial weather patterns that would basically be similar to Earth's weather patterns. Summer, winter, rainy season, and there's similar to Earth seasons. Maybe Mars would have the same seasons. An artificial city in on Mars would mimic that same seasonal cycle of Earth, I guess. I don't know whether that can be done, but would you live on Mars? I think I would. I think I would live on Mars if I can see that, what, there is a permanent presence on Mars. There are a lot of people that are actually living there already, and what, it is pretty safe to live there. All the dangers that we can face over there are already taken care of, and harmful radiation from the sun cannot hurt me. I am my skin would be shielded from the extreme cold on Mars. All the dangers are taken care of, and basically I would be living in some kind of an artificial city that would be underground, maybe, or maybe in some kind of a artificial structure that would shield human skin from horrific radiation. So I think that would be great. More on this in the next video, I think. Until then, please consider liking this video, please consider sharing this video with other people, friends and acquaintances, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. Until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.